What's up, Tryharder people? It's your man Omar. So everyone loves meatballs and everyone loves pasta. Today we're gonna try to put those two things together to prepare this meatball tomato sauce pasta. Delicious.
Here we go, friends! Are you ready for this delicious Italian dish? To start, let's chop down an onion. I used a red one, but it's not gonna make a huge difference using a regular onion, so no worries, just use what you have at home. Once you're done, just leave it apart and start preparing the meatballs. I speeded up the recipe here, but if you need a more detailed video about meatballs preparation, I've done one already. I'll make the link pop up on the screen somewhere, okay? You can obviously give them the size that you like the most, and probably a little smaller than mine will not be a bad idea. I guess my eyes are bigger than my mouth actually. Oh well, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna deal with it, no problem. Once you're ready, set a frying pan with a tablespoon of olive oil on medium heat and throw the chopped onion inside. Let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, adding up a little bit of water. Now it's time to start cooking the meatballs. Initially, just place them in the frying pan and let them roast. First on one side and then on the other for a couple of minutes each. Then, you can make them roll into the onion bed for another minute. Finally, you can add the tomato sauce. I use 2 cans for a total of 600 grams of tomato sauce here, to keep the meatballs well covered during the cooking time. Now put a lid on the top of the frying pan and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I suggest you to prepare another pot with water and a pinch of salt. This way you'll be ready to cook your spaghetti as soon as your meatball sauce is done. Speaking of sauce, take it off the lid in the last minutes of cooking to let the excessive water to evaporate. It looks delicious already, am I right? Just be patient and you'll get reward for it, trust me. Okay, throw the spaghetti in and make sure they all get inside the water. After 6 to 8 minutes, you'll be ready to put all together to create this beautiful and delicious dish. If this vision was not enough to melt your heart, keep watching for something, let's just say something different.
Non è che sono corti i gag. Ho mangiato tutto io.
Alright, we got to the end of this video. I have two requests for you tryharders. The first one is very easy. Just make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. The second one is, please don't let Valentina know that I shared those clips with you, okay? No, just joking. I'll catch you very soon with the next video. See ya!
Ciao! Ciao ciao!